Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us know more about extra light olive oil. Is it suitable for frying? The differences between extra light olive oil and extra virgin olive oil that follows with the preparation of a healthy recipe. Let us start. You know that olive oil comes with innumerable health benefits and is one of the favorite ingredients in the kitchen. You may get the same in different varieties like extra virgin olive oil, refined olive oil and pure olive oil. Extra virgin and virgin olive oils are unrefined forms. Pure olive oil is a blend of extra virgin olive oil and refined olive oil. Extra light olive oil is a type of refined olive oil which can be used for frying, baking, sauteing and grilling due to its higher smoking point. It has light flavor and neutral taste. The term light indicates its light flavor and it does not mean that it contains lesser calories. It contains higher amount of calories in the form of monounsaturated fats. Now let us see how is extra light olive oil suitable for frying. With its neutral flavor, extra light olive oil is good for baking sweets and savories and is ideal for sauteing, frying and grilling. The high smoking point of the oil makes it perfect for high heat frying since it has very light flavor. Many people do not deep fry anything in light olive oil with the misconception that it is dangerous and unhealthy. However, the fact is that you must know the correct type of olive oil to be used while cooking. Use extra virgin olive oil for salad dressings and for drizzling over warm and cold dishes before serving and also for marinades, sauces and vinaigrettes. Extra light olive oil is a processed form and hence it has lighter color. It can last longer and can be heated at high temperatures. Now let us see how to fry an eggplant in extra light olive oil. Please note down the ingredients. You need eggplant or brinjal, half cup sliced. Egg white 1. Salt 1/8 teaspoon. Black pepper powder 1/8 teaspoon. Extra light olive oil 3 tablespoons. And cilantro or coriander leaves 1 teaspoon chopped. Note down the method. Mix egg white, salt and black pepper in a bowl. Coat eggplant slices with egg white mixture. Heat a pan and add extra light olive oil. Place the eggplant slices in the pan. Cook in medium heat. Flip and cook the other side. Cook until tender. Garnish with cilantro. Eggplant fry is ready to serve. It can be concluded that if you are cooking at high heat, use only refined or extra light olive oil, whereas use extra virgin olive oil in cold and warm preparations. Thank you.